Hi, welcome to my course on Learning RabbitMQ, Asynchronous Messaging with Java and Spring. In this course, we're going to dive deep into the world of RabbitMQ, the famous and one of the most popular open source message queues in the Java ecosystem. Well, actually, it is widely used in almost any environment, from embedded systems to cloud environments. RabbitMQ can be used and deployed everywhere. Now let's talk about what we're going to cover in this course. In this course, we're going to start by the very basic, the fundamental knowledge for any message broker, and that is messaging. So we're going to start by what the messaging means in software world and why we actually need it. And after that, we're going to take a look at messaging protocols such as MQTT. After we finish with the protocols, we're going to take a closer look at the AMQP, Asynchronous Message Queuing Protocol. And finally, we're going to meet with RabbitMQ, the popular message queuing protocol for almost any environment that we have. And after we first met with RabbitMQ, we're going to start with queues, topics, exchanges, and more. We're going to learn the fundamental concepts of RabbitMQ. And these are very important topics in this course. I can't stress this enough, so make sure to study these sections very well, because we're going to use that information throughout the course. After we learn the fundamentals of RabbitMQ and messaging, we're going to take a comparison of message queuing frameworks and applications such as Kafka, Camel, RabbitMQ, ActiveMQ, and more. After we finish our discussions about exchanges, queues, bindings, and much more, we're going to start implementing RabbitMQ with our code, using, of course, Java and Spring. We will learn how to use Rabbit template for sending both simple and complex messages. I'll be showing you all the ways of using Rabbit template, and just wait up for that. After we learn how to send messages with Rabbit template, we're going to move forward with our implementations such as configuring queues, exchanges, bindings, and much more from code. We're going to be implementing listeners and many other constructs of RabbitMQ so that we can use it in our both professional and personal projects. After learning how to configure queues, exchanges, bindings, and much more, we're going to realize an asynchronous scenario with two different applications. From one application, we're going to be publishing a message to a specific routing key and an exchange. From the other application, we're going to be receiving that message and processing it. It's going to be a very useful exercise, and I'll be expecting to see you there. So, without a further ado, I'll be seeing you on the next section.